So today we will understand one topic, whatever need to our upcoming life and growth our mind. So today we will learn how to apply for a passport and visa, and we discuss some questions and clarify the doubt of what is the difference between passport and visa. Shall we move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first I have one question. What is a passport? So passport is an official document which provided by the Indian government to travel international and another country. So did you understand this?
Yes, sir, I understand.
So shall we move ahead? In my mind, upcoming one second question: how do I apply for a passport in India? Because we have discussed in India, because in different countries its process is also different. So for applying in India, there is very basic things need for applying a passport, like that Aadhaar card, address proof, and PAN card, and some other documents like as mark sheet, certificates. Is it? So easily we apply the passport for these documents. So these documents are also important, and we need that to apply. It's one Indian government portal, and that name is so we need to go on the passport seva portal. Passport seva portal. It is an official website by the Indian government where we apply for the passport in the form, add the verifying document, and easily we apply that. So we need to, second question we discuss here, how much does it cost? So that is very easy. For a normal passport, cost is 1500 to 2000, and for the urgent passport, cost is 3500 to 4000. It will be changed sometimes as per the rules, so we need to check the recent and we add that. We move ahead, some more questions related to the visa. It is also a question in our mind, what is a visa? So visa is also an official document issued by another country where you want to go. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we move ahead? How do I apply for a visa? So for applying a visa, we need to fill the form. And with passport, we submit that form of the visa office. Either we can say that embassy, and we wait 1 or 2 months. Then when visa will come, that embassy also contact you and inform you. So moving ahead, we have some other confusion related to the passport and visa. We clear that doubt here also. So there are the one major difference between the passport and visa. Passport also issued by the domiciled government and visa issued by the another country. So it is the major difference between that. Passport is also identification of the travel to another country and visa is also permission given by the another country. So do you know how many countries we can visit without passport? So without Indian passport, we can visit two countries, Nepal and Bhutan. And we have also opportunity as an Indian to visit some another countries without visa. Some countries are visa free like that Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Mauritius, Maldives. These are the countries we visit without visa. So it is the opportunity as Indian and the color of Indian passport in India. Indian government issued three color of the passport: white, navy blue, and maroon. Navy blue passport for everyone that is the part. General passport for each person for business, study, and work. And white passport for only government officials for visiting the government purpose, and maroon passport for the diplomats who living another country and work for the government. Thank you.